How can we avoid making an error in a proof that leads to a generalization? The answer to this question will blow your mind. Part 2. 3. Consider edge cases and counterexamples. Think about the simplest or most unusual cases that could challenge your generalization. Edge cases, what happens at the boundaries of your conditions. For a generalization about polygons, what about a triangle, the minimum number of sides? For a generalization about integers, what about zero or negative numbers? Counterexamples. Think about the simplest or most unusual cases that could challenge your generalization, like edge cases, what happens at the boundaries of your conditions. For a generalization about polygons, what about a triangle, the minimum number of sides? For a generalization about integers, what about zero or negative numbers? Counterexamples. Actively search for a single instance that disproves your claim. If you can find just one, your generalization is false. For example, the statement all prime numbers are odd is disproven by the counterexample of the number 2. Power of 2 plus 41 produces a prime number for all integers greater than 1 is disproven by 41. 4. Use valid proof techniques. Empty, rigorous, and valid logical methods suitable for the type of statement you are proving. Common techniques include direct proof, a logical chain of reasoning starting from known facts and definitions to arrive at the conclusion. Proof by induction, used for statements using all natural numbers. You prove the base case, for example, for n is equal to 1, and then show that if the statement holds for some arbitrary case k, it must also hold for k plus 1. By contradiction, assume the generalization is false and then show that this assumption leads to a logical inconsistency. Adhering to these principles, you move from anecdotal evidence to a logically sound conclusion, ensuring that your generalization is valid for its entire intended scope. If you want to learn math at the ultimate level, write the word ultimate in the comments, and if you are interested in the PDF collections, write to me in DM.